Okay, there I go. Ah, strange. Whatever. Hi, hello. Hi. Hello, everyone. What up? I'm. Uh, I'm a bit tired. I think I've got like a little cold or something, so I don't know how much time I have. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're not doing as shitty as I do because I slept quite bad. I've probably had like 6 liters of water already today, which is more than you should drink in like 2 days. But there I go. It's going to be more and more and more. I think my body is washing out something. So I don't know how long I can go, but hi. Thanks for tuning in. And we've got a task today. I don't know if I can make a public version today. Maybe I can even. Like something very short, very little to play around. But the task for today, in order to do that, I'll need to do one thing. One thing that is missing, and it's the following. So what I currently have, or what we currently have, because you've been here all the time, right? Haven't you? You should. Is that I've got my interface, my sensors, I can repair, connect. Those buttons don't work yet. Hi, Vladimir. Hi. Maybe let's set that to full screen so that you can actually see something. That's too small. That's 1080p. Hi, Viberhav. Hi. Love from India. Hey, it's been so long. I think. When was I in India? 2015, 2014, 2013? I think 2013 was the last time that I was in India, which is almost, was 8 years ago? Oh, God. Okay, that's quite a lot. Okay, so we've got like finally engineering. Hey, every Tuesday, Vladimir, every Tuesday for the last, I think, 2 months, I've been doing engineering content. Every Tuesday for the last 2 months. You've just not been there every Tuesday. So I've got my little test set up here, and almost all the components, they have an interface now. I mean, they all have the standard interface here. Haven't been there. I've been there. So they have an interface. It doesn't matter, Vladimir. I'll be online. Like I'll keep streaming Tuesdays technical content, mostly working on this software because I love the software that I'm working on, but who knows in the future. So these have like an interface, right? I can even interact with some things. Turning on, turning off. This one doesn't. I have to fix this one, right? These have this one doesn't. This one has. So most of them have like an interface with connections. And what we need to have a final version, first of all, I gotta add this if I want it, because right now I can't do anything with it. We don't need the sensor. This one's just there for testing. Yeah, what I need is then on those, they can be broken. So one part of the software should be troubleshooting, like learning how troubleshooting works and that kind of stuff. So you need to find an error in the system. So if this one here, for example, is broken, you have a repair button, or every single connector. So this one here has 5 connections. 3 of those are electrical. No, 2 are electrical, 3 are pneumatic. All of those could be broken as well. So we have a repair button. So we can repair every connection. It could be plugged. It could be unconnected, disconnected. It could be just, I don't know what. But there's a repair button for everything. The connect button won't work. That's something for a later version. But the repair. So I want to fix this repair button today. You see that? Repair. But first I want to fix this thing, because that's what I need for the version as well. Maybe the push button as well, but no, this one here. So let's fix that one first. And I'm just hanging out here. So if you've got anything you want to talk about, just use the chat. I'll try to get on everything there. Because this is now just, I've been doing that already quite many times, actually. Finding out this, like working with this now is not the problem. Component name, this is a, how are those things called? A valve. Shut-off valve? It's a shut-off valve. Shut-off valve. That's shut-off valve. Yeah, it's a shut-off valve, so this one should be interactable, which it is. I have to create new models and that stuff. It's kind of useless here that I hate it. I have to make my own models. This one, it's gonna be an industrial application. It will be a training software. Isolation of, is it called isolate? Hi Joel, is it isolation valve? Let me Google isolation valve. Isolation valve. It is. It's called isolation valve then. I always thought it's called ball valve. I also know ball valve. Hey Kalin, hi, or Kalin. Ball valve. That's what I have been looking for. That's the word that I have been looking for. That one I know. What's the difference? It's the same, but I know the word ball valve, so I'm going with ball valve, sorry. But thanks, Joel. Come on, I know it as a ball, because there's a ball that we basically rotate. So this one, I need to adapt the script a little bit, just the code. It's gonna be very simple. Why did I? This is ugly. Why would I mean, that's okay. I don't remember what I need to do here. Hi, Bagyodaya. I'm good. I've got a slight headache. My body is fighting some kind of cold or so, I think. But nothing too bad. It's okay. Thanks for asking. Isolation valve is probably more of a general term. Yeah. I know isolation valve is probably more common because it's all of them, and ball valve is this one specific type that uses a ball. There's different types. Probably. I don't know. So this one's here. This one's gonna get a use 1 and a use 2. Let's copy from the main. Because it behaves very similar to the. Hey, Colin. Regards from Romania. Hey, sounds cool. Sounds about right. Yeah, I think so, Joel. I think so. Let's copy from this one here because it has the same behavior. So we've got to use 1, we've got to use 2, which will set it active. That makes sense. And it's even active, right? I called it active. Yeah, that's gonna work. Easy. No, this is trash. Go away. You can't see the code. my face is in the way. I'll try to keep it somewhere here. Thank you. So, so the main switch has. So both of them, just in general, both of those are so-called components. Hey, thick chick, are you pregnant? If yes, congratulations. If not, still congratulations. I don't know, but hi. I would say congrats anyway. Hey. Of course not. Still could be. I don't know. So they all derive from the class component, and they have use 1, use 2, and use 3, which will be on those buttons. Like I've got a button for each. What am I programming on? Unity and C#. So I just have to embed those with the buttons, which I already have here. There's nothing left. This is just my type of code right now. I just need to open the interface. If I don't have the open interface function in my shut-off valve, I can't open the interface. That's how I've written it. But I can just copy and paste it on. And now the last thing. Now I can interact with it theoretically. The problem is. Where is it? It's not there. The problem is that. Yeah, the problem is that I have like an interface that I still have to say, hey, turn on button number 1 and say this is open the ball valve. Button number 2 is close the ball valve. So I still need to assign that, and this is in my component interface here. You'll see what I mean in a second. I'll just need to assign that manually. I need to say, hey, we've got an object that is a shut-off valve, and that can be interacted with. That's what I need to say in my overview here. That's how I designed the software. There's an easier way, but I was too lazy to implement it. I should outsource this here. That's okay, that's okay. Open interface. And now all that's left to do is I can copy and paste. I can copy and paste the main switch now because it does the same thing. Let's grab that. Let's say this open interface is not the main switch. I want it with the shut-off valve. Now this should be an error, yeah. Shut-off valve, the small one. And that is pretty much true, except for those turn on, turn off. Open, close. Let's say open, close. I like those more. And now it should work for the little rotatey thingy. I know that was a lot. I try to still get an easier way of doing it. Why is that error? It's got the name hello. Oh, I'm zoomed in. There we go. It's got like an open and close. That's the wrong way. No, it's the right way. Open. Now it's open, closed, now it's closed. Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. And also, it's really hard to see. Let me zoom in. That's a very good zoom. On the bottom here, you see on terminal number 1, which is the input, we've got 8 bar. On terminal number 2, we've got 0 bar right now. If I open it, you see at the output, we also have 8 bar. Yeah, I mean, you're right, Joel. It depends on the terminology. That's easy to fix later on. I'm just trying to push out a version. But for me, it was like turn on, turn off. It's more for a main switch. I would say turn the machine on, turn the machine off. And for this, I would say, please open the connection and close it. Maybe it would be also turn on. We're not talking, words okay. I think as long as it's understandable. The last thing here is, if we're on the switch, I cannot turn it off right now because it's already turned off. I can only turn it on, and vice versa. So we can only do the one thing. Here I can always press both buttons, which would be confusing. So I want to get rid of it, which is more copy and paste, but I don't have that. I have it here. Boink. If ball, how did we call it? Valve, something with valve. I know, shut off valve. There we go. I don't know what my code does. I just copy and paste, and then I hope it works. What? Not a reference. Love it. There we go. Open, close, open, close. So that's working. Now I can basically use this ball valve that I've called hello. Yeah, that's good. So that's something I still needed. I also need to do it with the push button, actually. Shall we just directly... Yeah, let's while we are at it, why not? We'll just do the same thing for the push button that I called go jet to cylinder for some reason. Yeah, it's okay, doesn't matter. So let's do the same thing for the push button, which is an electrical component. So I've got that already. It's got an update. It's got a use function. Ah, no. I don't even know what I did here. I'm just going to delete it. I don't know. I don't need that. That's old code. I don't need old code. That was for testing. Active is equal to pressed. Nah. I don't know. I have literally no idea what this is, but I'll just do that. Oh. There's something I don't know. If I press the button, if this use is only executed once or not. Hey, Huber, thank you. Thank you very much. You get this. Thank you. Director's chair with the word on set. What? I would say yes on set. There you go. Oh, with my chair. You mean that? Nah, that's just a cheap chair I got for my fat ass. Oh, you got the it's the emoji. Why does my software actually tell me you send a text? Because my software tells me you send a text and not an emoji, but you send an emoji. Thank you. So as I said, I've got like a small cold, so my concentration is not the best. On the update function, I want, if it's active, I want to activate it. Yeah, if not, I want to deactivate it. Hey, Nomus, hi. Who is the? What do you need? What is it, Nomus? Who is the? Hello. Do I have like a press and I'll do just. It's all nonsense. Hello! Who's the sweetest? Oh, who's the sweetest? That would be me. I'll just do whatever with the Switch. It's the same as with the Switch. Let's just pretend it's the same. So for the push button, if I press it, it's gonna stay pressed, which makes sense just for simulation reasons. It's okay. I don't like it, but it's okay. We need to add it to the interface here. Private push button is a push button. Let's pretend that my fiance is not. I don't even know if she's the jealous type. She's pretty cool. She's chill. As long as I don't overdo it, of course. But she's pretty chill. So the push button, and I'll do the same. I really just need to copy and paste here. And yeah, this is freaking boring, so keep me entertained. Cam Girl Merle. And Cam Girl Merle actually sounds nice. So push button. And yeah, I know this stuff can be simplified, but I don't care. Push button. Press and unpress, whatever. It's not good. It's I'll think about it later on. It's okay for now. Optimizing the software, I got version 2.3.4. I've got different versionings then. So the push button, and the push button basically right now is the same as a switch, which I do not have in my software. I just realized. Should be the same. I don't know. I probably forgot something, but I don't care. Let's test it. You've got a home gym? You've got a home gym? I just have these. I just have this thing here. That's basically my whole gym. I've got like a home trainer, like a little bicycle, but that's pretty much it. I don't have a power rack or something. I don't even know how much this is. How much is this? 1.25. That's 5? That's 10 kilograms, which is not my training weight. My training weight currently would be around 25 to 30 kilograms per arm. Right? So that is definitely not my training weight anymore. Let's see if I can do it. Easy. Like this is useless. But it just sits here. It just sits there for no reason at all. The dumbbells, yeah, I don't really use dumbbells. I use machines. I'm working on machines. The cylinder, it opens. I can press it. I can unpress it. Oh, if I press it, actually something happens. Look at this. This is okay. It will be really annoying later on if I would have like 10 push buttons to see which one I have pressed. So I want 3. I want 3. Just activate. Just press and then keep pressed and unpress or whatever it is. Let's just implement it. I should do it. I should do it correct from the beginning on. Barbell curls are the best. I don't know. As I said, I'm using machines, which is all the same. I used to do free weights, but that's so long ago. That's when I was young. Okay, so the push button will have a third use. It will also use 3. Use 1 will be this activated and only activated right now. Use 2 will be keep it active, and use 3 will be activated and deactivated. God, I don't think I can finish a version today, but that's okay. That's okay. So push button. 1, 2, and 3. Push button 3 will be true, and this will be on press. This is latch on. Or latch off, I would say. That's probably it. Yeah, that makes sense. So this will be latch on, this will be latch off, and then I have like this one here. That is only keep it active as long as the button is pressed, which will be a problemo. Go, Nomus, you fat ass. Get your fat ass off the table and do the thing. We'll have... I don't know. I'm not using... Hi, Huber. Hi. I'm not using Mac. But there should be like a supported operating system thing. I don't think you can. I think it was mainly designed for Windows. So you would have to emulate Windows, which is on Mac. Is it called Parallels? I haven't used Mac. I personally have never really used Mac. Let's make another thing that is called public bool latched, which should be is latched or something. I don't care. I don't care about programming standards. This is my program. I don't care. So latched will be true. Latched will be true. Will be false here, and this is just active. Very simple now. Hi Gaurav. Hi. Probably very simple. Just an if. If latched, then active is true. And now I will probably run into a small problem. Because I want to deactivate it in the end. I don't know if I keep the button pressed, if it stays active or not. I really don't know. I don't know how the buttons behave. If they are edge triggered or if they're signal triggered. Hi Gaurav, hi. Always those macOS use. Does it stay pressed? What? If I release it, it does something. What? Why does latching not work? Did something wrong? Probably. Oh. Whoops. I need to change it in the interface here. Not the main panel. I don't care about the main panel. I don't care about the distance. I don't care about the shut off valve. I care about the push button. I don't care about the DCV. If the push button is latched, then button 2 is active. If not, then like this. Okay. Yeah. That could help already. That's going to help a bit. Whoops. How's the game going? Hey, Warlock Games. It is going well. It's more of a trading software, not so much a game, but it's going well. So the latching works. I can latch it on, I can latch it off. But the press doesn't do anything. Whenever I release it, something happens, but that's not how it should be. When is the use function executed? I don't know. Hello. That's how you debug. No breakpoints, nothing. No, no, no. You write a debug log and you say hello. Is it just executed once? What? Oh, it's on release? What? It's on release. What? What? Is it? Oh, it's on release. If that is the case, I think I am fine. I am fine with how it works. No, I'm not. No, I am. It's a bit stupid, but latch on is gonna just keep it on. And press is just this one-time thing. Why is it on button release? I didn't know. I wasn't aware. Kidding me? On click. Oh. Can I have a different, like not on click, but on press or something? Unity push button on press. Not on click. Oh, I will really, oh God, whoa, God, no, what, no. Not on click, on press, on push. It doesn't matter, it's fine. Okay, I didn't know, I didn't know. I didn't know. Whatever I didn't know, but I didn't know. Interact, use button 1, there it is. Does it have a read thing? That's kind of stupid, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I will live with it. But it's stupid. I didn't know. I didn't know Unity was stupid in this sense. So, okay. Did I cover all components? Because then I need to start with this repair thing. So the 3-phase plug works. The main switch works. Push button kind of works. Yeah, it works. Doesn't matter. This one here kind of works. I mean, this one doesn't have any values. So probably even if I open this up, the cylinders should act. Yeah. Because right now, if it's open, no, if it's closed, that's what it is. If it's closed, they don't have air power. So if I open it up, they have air power, and then, of course, if the button is pressed, I think that's when they extend. Yeah, this works, okay. Neat. Neat, it works. Okay. This has an interface. This has an interface. Nice. This has an interface. Nice. This I don't care for this version right now. This one has. This one should have as well, yeah. So they all have an interface. Good. Great, actually. Does that help me in any sense? Probably. Can work with the push button now. So I had in my mind, is this thing here. I made this sketch, I think, yeah, 6 days ago. Whoa, that's crazy. So I want to build up a little mechatronic system, a little exercise system where everything is interlinked. What's S2? Oh, those are sensors. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. But first of all, the thing that I wanted to do since the start of the stream is that I want to connect I want to make like a repair button. First of all, here I need this repair button to work because it doesn't do anything right now. And then I want a repair button for the whole component because that can also be broken. But first, let's do the repair button on the little contact thingy there. Which is gonna be probably simple. I don't know. So click, 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 click. That's this one. I don't know what I need for it, so I'll just turn off everything. I'll definitely need the component. I don't need it. I don't need the component interface. Okay, great. No, I will. I don't know. Don't know. What I will need is... I just need to link the button to the contact. So what I need is the contact script, and that needs a... do I have like a connection there? So this connection needs a repair function. And the repair function does the same in every case, so I'll just make it a void. For now, it's going to be... it's going to be a void. It's going to be a bool. It doesn't matter. For now, it's going to be a bool that just returns true. But I want to prepare it for later on, so... no, I'll make it void for now. Repair. Doesn't have any parameters. It's what it is. Make this have a return parameter later on. So for now, it doesn't matter. So connection is a mono behavior. It has a designation. It does not have a broken. There should be broken, is broken or something here. It doesn't? Did I put those down in the contact level? Oh, they cannot be broken yet. Oh, they cannot be broken yet. I am a fool. Okay. They can't? I thought I implemented the feature already. It's gonna be simple, but still, didn't I do that? Oh no, they can't. Just the component can be broken for now. Which I don't want to do. Let's do it on the component level. Yeah. I'm implementing it to do it later on, but right now the the connections cannot be broken. So you cannot have a loose wire. It just works. So, okay. That means I need to check the components. Oh, I thought I had this already. Shitty of me. But it's okay. Let's not do the connection, and then let's do the component level. I'll just need to do a small things for this as well. So this has a broken, that's okay. It will need a repair function. And it will do the same. Make this have a return value later on. It's the same thing. And if we repair, then broken is equal to false. That's it. Right now, you can repair it just by clicking a button or so. So all that's left to do is for this component, I need to activate this repair when we press a button. So first of all, I need to add a button to my interface here. So I will need a repair button. It's not going to be pretty. I'm just going to put it here. Yeah. What? The main panel. There it is. UI. Let's add a button. That button will go somewhere here. That looks nice. That's okay. It will start from the bottom left. Did I do the thing? What? That was... it's okay. We'll have a width of 100, a height of 50. It's what it is. And I'll push it up there. So X will be, I don't know, what's this, 20? And Y will be up there. It's not pretty yet. I know, it's okay. 100? That's too much space. What is this? 375. Okay. And this button will just be repair. 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 So if this button is pressed, the component should repair itself. There we go. It's like 22. Is that okay? Does that look okay? Nah, let's say 20. Okay. 18. 18 looks fine. 18 is okay. What are those? 18? 18. 18 is fine. So if you press repair, then the component should repair itself. So we will have like a on-click function, and that in the component interface, if that button is pressed, I want to execute the repair function. Current component. Am I using this? I hope I do. Yeah, okay. Pretty simple. Everything I do here is simple, guys. It's whatever. No, it's public. It needs to be public. Void repair. It's the same thing. And then with this current component dot repair, we're just executing the repair function of the current component using this button. Is that it? Oh, I need to, of course, use this. I need to, on the push button, I need to link the repair function. Component interface, repair. And there we go. That should be it. Am I, what? No, that can't be it. Okay, let's pretend. This one here is broken. Bonk. It's broken now. So if I select it and I press repair, this broken should not be there anymore. It's not. Are you kidding me? This was so easy. Are you kidding me? Sometimes it's like, whoa, I thought this would take an hour to do this alone, and now it took 5 minutes. Okay, this one here is okay. That means it's not broken right now, which means we've got 230 volts here. Just on one phase, really? Do we only have, yeah, we only have one phase connected. 230 volts. If I break, oh no, it's broken. Do I not have the broken activated here? Oh. If not broken, then do all of this. Else, put them all to 0, please. There we go. Okay, the main power plug did not have a broken function, so it was broken. But what does broken mean? It can be broken in 10 million different ways. Okay, so now the switch here. It's very hard to see. If you put me on full screen, you can see it. Right now, if I turn it on and off, it doesn't matter. Like L1 and T1, everything here is 0 volts. Okay, that's not correct. Because this one here is broken, I need to click on this. I need to repair this one here first. Boink. And now it doesn't work because this is in a start function. Let me guess. God damn it. Data. All of this, of course, needs to go into the update function. I could do it way more efficient if it comes to calculation power, but we use a PC. No one cares about efficient code when on a PC. So that's fine. So right now it's broken. It doesn't matter what I do here. It really doesn't matter. I have to repair this first. And now I see, oh, it's got 230 volts on each of these. And now this one actually has a voltage connected to it. The repair works. Are you fucking kidding me? Let's not say this one is broken. Let's say this one is okay. Let's say, for example, this one here is broken. Doink. I don't know if I've implemented the broken function on those. So the power is on. I open the ball valve, so it's got air. And if I press the button now, it should not extend because it's broken. The problem is... Oh, it's the second one. Whoops. The problem is that I have not implemented the broken function for those. God, are you kidding me? Yeah, if I... What? There we go. That's it. I've implemented the broken function now. I need to go through all the components that I have yet and need to add this broken functionality there. Gosh darn it. I thought I implemented for all of them, but I didn't, obviously. So let's open this one here. Let's turn this one on. So this one should extend because it's not broken. This one here has got at the input 8 bar, but it's not working. So what do we need to do? We need to repair it, and now it works. I know that's not how repairing works, but for now it is. That works. Can't believe it. Oh god, I need to test for all of them. I need to test if the broken thing works. Are you kidding me? Okay, that's gonna be annoying. So I need to add the broken thing for all of them. Let's start with this one. Let's continue with this one. I will just need to add the broken script for all of them. Like maybe I'll need to adapt it, but I'll just need to do it. Because those are the components I want in the first version. I want out there, and I want those to work at least. This one I don't care. Will I model a workshop? Kind of, Gordon, yeah. Kind of. I've already started a little bit sometimes here. Like I've got already a system here that does something. But I'm not using it in this version. I'm more going with standardized components. So very simple components. That's what I'm going with. And hi. If I didn't say hi, I probably said hi. Did I say hi? I don't know. I can't remember. Don't forget the crowbar. Yeah, of course I want. Wait. You want a crowbar? Okay, small X course, because I don't really want to look in the code right now. Okay, here we go. You'll get your crowbar. No, you'll get your crowbar right now, Gordon. You ask for it, you get it. I don't want this. So let's save this. Special multimeter. Mechatronic components. No, this is an assets passive. Crowbar. There we go. No, let's make a folder. Self-made. New folder. Crowbar. There we go. You're gonna get your crowbar right now. So, okay. You're gonna get... This is your personalized crowbar. This is just for you. How does a freaking crowbar look like? Wait, maybe I can create it from my... from my memory. Okay, let's add a mesh. Let's add a cube. Yeah, let's add the cube. Yeah, okay, it was a cube before. I know, it doesn't matter. Scale that down. Let's scale that in the X. Let's definitely scale it in the Z. Let's scale it in the X more. Something like this. Scale it in the Z, and let's make it longer. Scale it in the Z department here. Scale it in the X. That's a good size. That's a good size. Okay. So definitely it is like angled, right? It's got like an angle here. I really don't know how a crowbar looks like, and I'm doing it from memory now. I don't care. It is gonna be perfect. So one side... Okay, let's make loop cuts. One side is definitely something like this, and the other side is something like that. I don't know. It's gonna be fine. Don't worry. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be an amazing crowbar. So the problem here is that it's got like... so I want to angle the one side a little bit. Add a small hook, 35 degrees. I know I'll do something. I'll do something. Don't you worry. No. Grab Z. Grab Y. Something like this. And now I want to make this like the hook thingy. This goes in the Z a little bit. There we go. This goes more in the Z. Nah, it's fine. This is fine. Like, it's got that hooky thingy there. I should definitely look up how a crowbar looks like. I don't know what I'm doing. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna have a crowbar in a second there. So, okay, that side looks okay. That side looks okay, but it needs that cut. Right? They have this cut here in the center. So I will add the cut. No, this way. I should have done it differently. It's okay, it's okay. I know how to make like a double loop cut. How do I make a double loop? Number of cuts there. 2. Blink. What? There we go. Nah, kinda. Not really, but kind of. It's okay. Extrude X, Y. Yeah, extrude in the Y. That doesn't work. Can I just grab the dots and just push them? Oh, it's gonna be a really, really pretty one. Why? Something like that? There we go, perfect. There we go. This is perfect. This is great. This is good. This is good. What I should have done from the beginning is actually I should have just made it one-sided, but that's okay. And now we're gonna need a hook on the other side, right? So this is gonna need like a hook, and I definitely know how to do it. I could just make a curve. I could add like a curve and just curve it around. The thing is, I don't know how that works, but we'll find out. Like a Bézier, what's it called? A Bézier loop? There, a curve. Yeah, Bézier. Definitely know how to do that. 100%. Because I know. Let's get rid of this here. Vertices. Yeah, definitely. Let's make a loop here. Let's set the cursor to this. By the way, I don't know what I'm doing. Cursor to selected there, and this is where I want to start like a loop, right? Like a loop here, like a little this circ. Can I do it in here? No, I can't. Okay, it's got to be its own thing. A curve, a Bézier. Definitely, it looks nice, but it's completely incorrect. 1 meter? No, it's way too big. Something like that, maybe. New experience. Yeah. You're gonna get your crowbar. I don't. Well, that needs to be 90. That needs to be 90 as well. No, that one is fine. That one is 0. That one is 90. That one is negative 90. So kind of like this, but now I need to rotate it even further. It's okay. It's okay. I definitely know what I'm doing. Oh no, that was wrong. I mean, I could do it like this. Can I shape it? Can I shape it? Oh, I can. I will have to. Oh, there we go. I definitely know. And then, of course, we need the loop-de-loop. How do I change the angle? Can I? Oh, rotate. Probably it's rotate, right? Rotate around X. Yeah, something like this, right? Hey, Camtonis, hi. Thank you for the quality videos you put on. You're very welcome. So much in your project. Hey, you're very, very welcome. Okay, we've got the hook. Let's rotate it even further, I guess, right? Let's make that. Can I? Do I have to scale it down? Yeah, I have to scale it down. Okay. Okay, now all that's left to do is I will need to add like a something on there that follows it. And I literally have no idea how to do it. Somehow. I'll do it somehow. Sup, Alex? Hi. We're making a crowbar. For God, Gordon Freeman needs his crowbar. Oh, God. I think what I can do is the following. I'll add a new mesh. I'll make it a cube. I'll scale it down a lot. Like, it should probably fit. I don't know. I want to make it fit there, and I will need to add a modifier, a curve. Right, a curve. And it's going to be cube 1. That's going to be curve. No, I want to curve it around the Bezier. Look at this. Look at this. That didn't work. Yeah. Oh. No, that's not correct. What? That's not correct. Vertex group. No, that's definitely not correct. Hi, it's 100% incorrect. That's not what I want. I want a... Definitely. I know what I'm doing. I barely work with... I can make an array, theoretically. I can make an array around... Fit curve. Look at this. And then I can add a curve. There we go. Definitely know what I'm doing. That didn't work. Okay. Shouldn't I be able for an array to say how many array elements there are? I should be. With dry eyes during PC, yeah, Alex, I get like headaches. Like at some point I will have headaches. Relative offset, yeah, but where do I set? Hi, Kavi, hi. Is there a sweep command? I don't know. I'm not really experienced in this. I know it a bit, but not too much. But shouldn't array be like, oh, you can do that? No. Maybe it's fixed count. I mean, that would work if it would be like along the curve. Maybe I can add it now and around the curve. Yeah. That's gonna work. Hi, Otishka. Hi. How you doing? Yeah, the relative offset, of course, is 1 because that's the size of it. And now I just need to rotate it. How do I say? Oh, no, not this. This is 0. It's the y-axis. What is going on, new project? No, Yatishka. Gordon asked for a crowbar, and he's gonna get his crowbar. That is the ugliest crowbar that I've ever seen, but there we go. No, that's okay, but why doesn't it start at the start point? Why does it start there? Why does it start there? Can I? Ooh, look at this! Ah, yes! We're almost there. I have this problem sometimes besides the droplets. Oh, yeah, it's annoying. I have also droplets here, right at my table. Whenever I work and like my eyes dry out, I use droplets. Yeah, there's no really other way. There we go. Freeman's crowbar. Yep, Jotischka. Exactamente. No scale X. That's perfect. Ah, love it. Let's apply it all. It's pretty. Why? Why did that not apply and then apply this one? Okay. That is still not working. I love it. The end should still be like smaller, right? It should be something like that. Perfect. Perfect. This is definitely this is how a crowbar should look like. There we go. Let's paint it. Definitely 100% correct. Let's first merge all of it. Smooth? Smooth doesn't work, no. Join. Yeah, it's all joined. It's perfect. We're gonna still paint it now. I don't know. I so don't know how a crowbar looks like. This should be really flat, by the way, right? Like this should really be flat. Like this should definitely be flat and not like that. Let's scale this down. No, that didn't work. Yeah. What? Something like this. That's okay. I don't care. It's okay. It's perfect. Yeah, exactly like this. What do you mean I'm not in a stasis? Oh, Gordon, you mean? I have not. No, I have played Half-Life, the other episodes there. Crowbar. For whatever reason, we have a crowbar now. Let's add the UV. Let's actually add let's give it a material crowbar. Let's call it a crowbar. Let's give that a principled. Yeah, that's principled, but the color comes from an image texture. And we're going to make a new image. That image is crowbar texture. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Love it. That's going to work. UV editing. It's crowbar texture. It's going to be perfect. Crowbar texture. Let's save this bad boy. Let's have this. This is where... Is that going to work? This actually looks not too bad. What is the crowbar for nothing except for me having fun right now? Windows light mode. Yeah, my screens, Alex, my screens are really dark. Like, you can't see it because I'm, like, streaming with, like, you can't see how dark my screens are. But the only problem that I have when streaming is, of course, that you can see it in the reflection that my ring light is quite bright. One reason why I cannot stream too long. This is so ugly. This is the ugliest thing that I've ever built. Let's paint it. Now I really need to look at crowbar colors. Crowbar. Is this a band? Not a band. This thing here, right? I mean, I got kind of close. Not at all. Oh God, I'm so sorry. Half-Life. Okay. Okay, got it. That's easy. Like red in the middle and gray at the ends. Easy. Yeah, I knew it was red, but I didn't know where it was gray. What? Why is it not turning red? What? What? Oh, that doesn't work. Okay. Let's unravel. Let's unwrap. UV unwrap. That's gonna work. Let's paint this bad boy. It's okay. And a grayish. Pretty bright gray. Why does that not work? Why can I not paint this? I can do this. No, wrong. Wait, is that this? Okay, interesting. Poland simulator, what? There we go. That works. Fine. Isn't that pretty? I mean, I don't care about this. That's okay here. What's that? Okay, now it turns gray. Okay. There we go. Perfect, I would say. Perfect. There we go. Done. We can now implement it. Hey, Nomis, go to the gym. Very good. That's what you should do if you want to do it. Let's look for the crowbar. There we go. That is chunky. That is big. Okay, that is not working out. Okay, I'll do something here on the side that you don't need to see. Okay. So for my character, it's got a camera. Inside the camera, of course, I want the crowbar now. Bloink. What? Okay. Okay, let's start the game. Let's see. Sorry, I didn't read the chat for a minute there, but I was concerned. Look at us. He got a crowbar now. It goes in the ground because it's so big. Okay, that was so not what I wanted to do, though. It doesn't look too bad. It actually looks okay. It's way too big. It needs to be much smaller. There we go. That should be better. All the series videos on placed on YouTube. I should make that, Masters of the Miracle High. I should actually make that, yeah. Look at this. Now it's actually way better. I've got a crowbar. For whatever reason, Gordon. But we've got a crowbar now. Okay. I will probably delete that. Because that's not what I wanted to do. I should make a playlist. You're right. I will try to make it if I don't forget it. Thanks for the hint. Painting textures itself is quite difficult. Yeah, depends on Alex. Depends on how you do it. But yeah, it can be really tough. I just did it like the very, very, very basic thing that is simple, of course, what I did. I mean, you need to know what you're doing, but that was nothing. Okay, what I wanted to do is all of these components need this broken parameter that does whatever it should. All of these I need to see if I implemented it. So this got a broken thing that does something, I don't know. It's okay, power supply does something. Shut off valve does not have a broken yet, does it? If active and broken. And not broken. Oh, yeah. Else. Okay, that works. This is done. The DCV does not have the broken parameter yet. Okay, that's bad. The sensor. Positive, negative output. Broken and not broken. There, I've implemented. For some of those, I already put it in the code. I think the cylinder we did. Yeah. The push button latched, active, and not broken. There we go, got it. The main switch. And not broken. Okay, great. Main power plug and not broken. Oh, we only have the DCV. Yeah, that makes sense because I've implemented it last week or 2 weeks ago and I did not really care about the broken parameter. Makes sense. What do I do here again? It's very simple. I think I put it here. If not broken. And then I'll put this in here. I won't even test it because I'm pretty sure it does whatever I want it to do. If not broken, else output pressure is 0. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna work. I'm almost 100% certain. If manual override and not broken. Oh. Else if... Why would you do that? Oh, I need the... Oh, right. Does that actually work? And spring and... Ah, maybe it doesn't. Oh no, I'm an idiot. Shit. Oh, there's an error anyway. Oh god, I need to think. Give me a second. If the actuator is actuated... God, I don't know. I'll just need to test it. DCV. So with a DCV, I need to test it with a manual override because that got quite complex actually. Just with a DCV if it's broken. So it's got 8 bar in the P in the supply port. If I activate it, it's got 8 bar at the output port, which is the manual override. That's perfectly fine. Okay. Why? Okay, I'll do something in a second. Then if this, so that works. The manual override here works. Now the problem could be if it's broken. So that component here is, I guess, DCV spring, this one here? Which one are you? This one here. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. If this one is broken, the manual override shouldn't work anymore. Yeah, that works, okay. You gotta go, Alex. See ya. Have a nice evening. Thanks for joining. I think I won't do too long because I've got this headache. I need to rest a little bit. And if this works, hey, this version kind of works. Okay. So this works if it's broken. If I repair it, it should work again. Yeah. Okay. Now, the problem could be that the DCV, the solenoid... signal. There we go. This one here. So if I have the signal, if this is above 24 volts or something in the range, it should activate. Okay, that works. Unless it is broken. Oh no, that doesn't work. Unless the cylinder is broken. If the DCV is broken, the signal shouldn't do anything. That works, okay. What? So it works. Repair? It works. Now the last scenario that I had is... No, that's it. There's no other scenario that would make sense. Perfect. So all of these components can be broken. Nice. What now? A simple thing. Okay, let's make the one thing that I actually want to do first. For the electrical contact. No, for the electrical and the pneumatic contact. Not too easy though. Now anymore. Now that I think of it. Where are they? Here. And they are electrical contacts and pneumatic connection. So those can also break. They're both connections, which has the broken thing. No, it's simple. If it's got a connection and not broken, and is not broken, then the pressure is this. Not the pressure. Oh, that's the pneumatic connection. That's what I meant with it. This could be difficult. Else the... Oh, this is gonna break everything. Fuck. Shit. Oh, God. Okay. I shouldn't... No, I shouldn't do that, because this is gonna confuse me later on. It doesn't matter, it's okay. Ah, this is stupid. I mean, I can make an adhesive, it doesn't matter. Ah, this is stupid. This is stupid. This is stupid. I'm doing the stupid. I'm doing the stupid right now, but it's okay. Oh, this could... else if it's broken. Yeah, this is... Oh, God. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay for the application right now. It will be a problem if I change something. Like here. If I change it with the main power plug, won't work. This will work here, though. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So this one's got connections here. Okay, that could be much more complicated than I anticipated. Let's say L1 is the input here. If that is broken, it should be 0. And if I repair it, it should be 230 again. That's going to work. T1 though, it works. Oh. That shouldn't work. No, that shouldn't work. That should not work. That shouldn't work. That should not work. I mean, it could, but it shouldn't. Whatever I'm thinking about right now, you don't need to care about. You don't need to think. You don't need to stress out. I stress out for all of us. Okay, that's not... it's not correct. It's not... I mean, it is correct, but it's not what I want. I want it a bit different to make it easier, but it's okay. It's perfectly okay. Let's just do the repair thing. Repair should be the same here as it was with the other thing. There we have it. Repair then is broken, is false. If you repair it. Okay, yeah. With the return parameter, and I'll remember it, maybe. Oh God, this is going to be so much more complicated. Whew. Okay, but it's gonna be okay. They have scripts? Yeah, they have, okay. So connector panel, electrical, connector panel, pneumatic. They will both get a something, and that something... Oh, they are connector panels. Ooh, that's nice. Public, avoid, repair. Virtual. Yeah, that's fine. I don't need it here, but I'll keep it. Whatever I do, it doesn't matter for you. Don't stress out. Don't stress out over it. I want to do it to override. Oh God. I realize a programming streaming stream a programming stream when I'm having like a headache or when I'm not on top of my energy. I can't explain anything. I can still do, but I can't parallel explain. Usually I can explain what I'm doing. Right now I can't. Probably did right this way, yeah. Okay. All that's left to do is to embed it in the thing, in here on the push button. And then I'm good. And then I am good to go. If this is clicked, then I want with the panel, I want the connector panel, I want repair. And that exact same thing I want to do with the connector pneumatic and with the electrical. If you don't understand what I'm doing, I can't explain because I've got a headache. I can do it, no problem. That's automatic. That's in the back of my brain. That's how programming works. But I can't explain. Maybe you should have. I'll have a rest in a minute, Gordon. I want to make this work, and then I'll have a rest. I just can't explain. I mean, I hope you're still having fun seeing me getting desperate. But I'm not desperate. I actually know what I'm doing. So let's pretend L1 is broken. Yeah, let's pretend L1 is broken on this one here. If I repair it, it would be 230. So now it's broken. If I click repair, it should repair. Yes! How did that work? How does it work? If I repair this, it shouldn't do anything. If T1 would be broken, let's say T1 is broken. Okay, I can't repair this. I can't repair this. I gotta repair T1. It works. 100% what I wanted. Okay. This is actually lovely. I absolutely love this. I won't take a rest yet because I want to have a version that kind of works. So what I do is now I'll take a short break for 5 minutes. I'll be back. I want to make this like a small level that can actually work. So I will prepare a couple of things and maybe I'll publish it. Maybe I'll send it out. I'll implement an error and you would have to fix it. I don't know. I'll take a 5 minutes rest and like break, and then I'll see what I can do. Nice. Love it. This works great, even though I've got a small headache. See you in a minute. Okay, that was 5 minutes. I just took a quick bathroom break. Really, really quick. And here I go drinking water again. I should drink more tea. I'm gonna make a tea. I should have made a tea now, but I'm gonna make a tea right after. So it's not gonna be much from now. I'll just quickly prepare the thing here. And I'll quickly prepare a level. You're back once more. I am back once more. What do you mean? I am the one that is back. Hey, Akash, hi. How you doing? Okay, so what I want is basically just put those in a nice and neat like orientation here. Let's put them next to each other. Like in a nice sequence. I actually drew it out. I've got this here. I drew this out, and I want this. I've got fuses in between. Can I work with fuses? Do my fuses still work? I think so. Breaker. I think I called those circuit breakers. Yeah. They still work? They still work? Oh, I would have to add this. I would have to make this. I would have to edit. How are things going? Actually, it's going great. I've got a slight headache, which I said 15 times now. But I'm actually doing great. Thanks for asking. Enemy can kill turrets in your tower defense? I never liked if my towers can get hurt. I like to build like a maze. That's whenever I play power tower defense, that's what I want. Is this a PLC design simulation going? The PLC, like I haven't used it now, but that's the thing I'm gonna work on. Like I have already implemented. Ooh, that chunky boy there. It works, but I cannot link it yet to Tier Portal. Okay. Let's actually continue with the circuit breaker thing here. So this is circuit. And yeah, I'm gonna continue now. I said I need to take a rest and that stuff. I don't need a rest. I'm fine. You just have to live with the nonsense I'm talking about. So that's okay. That's your problem, not my problem. Hi, Joss. Hi. How you doing? Broken, tripped. Oh, I actually have the broken thing. I have the tripped. I have this. I got so many things. That's not correct. This is not what I want, but that's okay. All of these can go away. I just need one more script, and that script is this one here. Component interface. Good, great. Hey, that's good. Am I celebrating? I don't. I mean, we kind of celebrate Halloween. The kids, teenagers definitely do. I don't know if I'm going to a party or something. I don't think so. Maybe I will, but probably not. More realistic. Yeah, I know what games. But I never liked it. It's just me as a player. I never liked when they could break my stuff. I'm building it up and I don't want it to be broken. Okay, so this is nonsense here, but I don't care for now. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. I should not be tripped, but that's okay. It's your birthday? It's your birthday? Hey! Why didn't you say so early? Congratulations. Hey! Wait, you get something. You get everyone say happy birthday to Warlock Games. You get this. Is that too quiet? Oh, you can't hear it because I'm listening to music. You cannot hear my sound. And yeah, I'm listening to Linkin Park currently and Jay-Z. Woo! You're 20. 20. It's even a round one. Oh, I remember those days. 20 was a good age. 20 is okay. Hey, happy birthday. Yeah. That's cool. That's cool. 20 is a really good age. Don't like push yourself or something. I just had fun back then. It was just a great time for me. In particular, I remember my 21st birthday. You can buy us beer now. I don't even have one here. I remember my 21st birthday when I was at the military. 18th? No, it was my 20th. It was my 20th birthday. I was in the military, and we were on like a training, and it was in the middle of the woods, and I was just laying in the dirt. I had a gun. I had like a machine gun, and my birthday present was I could just fire that machine gun like 200 shots, and I was just like, that was amazing. Later that day, we had to travel. My second birthday gift was I was allowed to carry that gun, which weighs 14.2 kilograms, which I still remember. I had to carry that gun for 20 kilometers. I was like, fuck this, I'm out. This was my second birthday present. Well, this was still a fun time. I was in the military. Yeah, we had mandatory military service in Germany, which is 9 months. 9 months of military service. But only training. It was only training. Could already buy us beer. You can't handle alcohol. I'm on the exact opposite side, but not being able to handle, then just be careful with it. You can still give us beer. Okay, so I've got the breaker. It can trip. The use is... it's not called trip. Turn on, turn off. Let's do use 1 and use 2. Turn on and turn off. Use 1 is trip this false. And use 2 is trip this true. Okay, I'll do that, and I will have to add it in the component interface, which is breaker. I'll be with the chat in a second again, sorry. But as I said, I can't really concentrate, so I at least want to concentrate on this a bit. I care about this? No. Yeah, I do. It's the same as with the switch here. If breaker, if our breaker is tripped, then the buttons should not be inserted. Got it. Okay. I need more training. Oh no, Warlock Games needs more training. Yeah. Hi Nick. Hi. How are you doing? Worry about beer. You need more training. I think with alcohol, I've got one friend. He can drink like one mixed beer and he's completely drunk. It is crazy. I don't know how he does that. But some people just can't really deal with alcohol, which is perfectly fine. So nothing really to care to worry about. It's something you need to know about, but it's not too important. Like alcohol is just a thing. Just avoid it if you can't do it. It's fine. Don't let yourself be pressured into it. Turn on, turn off. That's fine. Yeah. Yes, my friend is German. He can't really have beer. His father can a lot, but he can't. Got a notification when I turned 18 that I could join the military, but I declined. Oh, back then you couldn't just decline. You would have still to do like social service for a year. So I was just like, let's do military. It's like, I think in Germany you get the day after Halloween off because it's a special day in Germany. As far as I remember, I don't know. Mexico, people drink a lot here. People drink a lot here in Germany too, yeah. Why can I not open this? I forgot the most important thing in the breaker. Open interface. Let's just copy it from somewhere. There. If I don't have the open interface function, it doesn't open the interface. Who would have guessed? That's how I wrote the code. No one else will ever understand it. It's actually kind of stupid how I did it, but that's okay. Germany has this Oktoberfest. Yeah, there's a lot of places actually doing Oktoberfest currently. It's the other way around. Damn it. It's exactly the other way around, I think. Turn on, turn off. Maybe it is. Let's see. Then it's true, and then it's false. Did I do it? Don't do trick or treat. We did as a kid. Like it came up. Like we didn't do it when I was really young, but as I was going like 10 or so, we started doing it in Germany. Look at this. Tweak, 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 tweak. But it should be the other way around. So turn off. It should be exactly the other way around. Turn off, turn on. I'll just rename those, that's fine. I'm too lazy to do it the other way around. Oh, sorry. That's alright to test the pre-alpha when it comes out. Yeah, Nick, I will make it public. I will make a small video, or at least a post on YouTube or so, and I'll let you know. That's the idea. Thanks, Wall, again. Thank you. It's really my body is fighting something. I don't know. Far Cry 6 is coming out tomorrow. I know. Maybe I'll play it. Don't know yet. I think this works though, does it? Turn off, turn on. It should be the other way around though. Yeah, it should be the other way around, but I don't care right now. Gesundheit, thank you. Corona, I don't think so, Yoti. I'm vaccinated. Hey Aurelio, hi. Hexes, hi. Hi, Tierkameraden. Kinda. Hey, Navaratus, thank you. Thanks to you for you work as a PLC programmer. Hey. You work as a PLC programmer, that probably you've come along my videos. You're welcome, and thank you. Thank you very much. And wait. You also get, wait, I don't have, do I still have my sound off? Yeah. You get this. And this. And another one. Wait, another one for Warlock. This one is for you. This one, there you go. You watched all of my videos? That's like, how many is this? That's like 150 or so. Where would I release this? This thing I will make an own website and its own thing. It's gonna be different. It's a big project. I'm probably gonna work for it the next 2 years or so. Okay, so I've got the circuit breaker. That should still work. Okay, let's pretend it's gonna work. No, it's gonna work. Yeah, it's gonna work. Wait, did I test the broken thing? I didn't test the broken thing. Let's see. For how much I'm gonna sell it, I don't know. It's not like, I don't know yet. Depends on how big it's gonna be, but not too expensive, because similar softwares exist and they're just too expensive, and I'm like, nah, this is bullshit. So let's make this 24 volts. If this is broken, it doesn't work anymore. Perfect. Oh, that was stupid, but that's okay. Terminal 2, if that one is broken. See, that, for example, doesn't work. Yeah, and I was exactly worrying about that earlier, but that's okay. This is broken. Repair. Wink. That works. Okay. No, it's fine. Okay. It's not exactly what I want. There's still a bug in there, and I know about it, and I'm going to fix it later on. It's fine. The other software, I think, the other one that I'm copying and improving actually upon, that I... Factory. Is this one here. Try for free. No, shut up. I want the Ultimate Edition. That one is 250 per year or 700 one time. The GOAT edit. Thank you. Thanks, Gent. The GOAT. Is that a term that is used outside of sports? Because I only know outside of sports. And 700. And the one I'm doing right now is just the Siemens one, which is 400 at one time. And this is for students. This is for learning. Right? This is for students. This is for learning. And mine should not be that much. Mine is more like 20, maybe 50 or so. Something that a student can afford. Not this bullshit. You gotta work on the script. Sure, Warlock. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one. Like crack. You don't beer and so, but crack open a Coke and enjoy the rest of your evening and celebrate yourself. You deserve it. And also take a rest at some point. Don't just go working. You've seen this? Yeah. I've worked with this and I like it. It's a good software, but there's a couple of features that are missing for me, and also the price is just not. It's justified because it is there. It's for industry, sure, but it's for education. For education, I don't like this. I mean, it's $15 a month. That's kind of fine for a student, But that's this abo thing again, the subscription model. I don't like it. 100, I would say 100 is too expensive. 100, yeah, maybe feasible, but more like 50, which is like a video game. Like that's the range of a video game. That makes sense. I'm the PLC master. I'm probably not. No, I'll buy it on the company. Yes, thanks, Joss. Yes, exactly. Let me finish it first. Okay. So what I want is, I just want to set those up on the wall in some way that is quite nice right now. Right. So that makes them extend or retract. So that push button is going to go somewhere here. And that will control this cylinder, but not this cylinder, this thing here first. Other way around. Doesn't matter, it's the same thing. So this is going to go on the wall here as well. It's not going to be pretty. Like this is the first thing. This is the first version or anything. Wait, this is going to be there in before. This is going to go here. Wait, let me do this blank. It's going to go there in before because that is in before. That should be actually here, and then this one breaker should be a second one. This should be here. Like that's a 230 volt breaker. If that is turned off, nothing is going to work, and so on. Can I view the video later? Yeah, Taha, you can. Hi, Supun. Hi. Hello, everyone. Hi. You can watch this later. I should make a playlist, but it will be on my channel. It's just there. You can just watch it. You can probably already watch the replay now. Okay, this button is going to activate this. So let's actually put this down here so that it's visualized that this button actually activates this. If this is active, then we want to extend the cylinder. Right? So if this one is active, it's going to extend the cylinder. If the cylinder is extended, I want to have a sensor here and detecting that it's extended. Oh God, look at this. This is such a small, simple thing, and it's already very complex. Let's see, this should be there. Let me give a second. It's not perspective. It's the wrong perspective. It should be like this. And this should be there. There we go. Got it. That's fine. Oopsie doopsie. Okay, sorry, I'm reading. What about Siemens copyright infringement? I use nothing that is Siemens copyrighted. Getting parts these days is impossible, Joss. Yeah, because the semiconductor business is just completely broken. Yeah. This is not a read contact. I have not used magnetic fields, but I will add read contacts, Joss. Yeah, but I don't have them yet. Definitely will. Ritterschränke. Yeah, I can copy a lot of things, but I don't really want to. So that's gonna be here, and that's gonna be there. As soon as this is active, the second cylinder is gonna be active. So this is gonna extend the second cylinder here. I mean, they're not on the... I don't have a grid or something yet. Well, that should be fine. This is gonna do it. That's fine. Like the second cylinder is gonna activate, or so to say, this thing here. Of course, the solenoid activates, and that will extend the cylinder. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. So basically, this is gonna go there. This is so ridiculous. This is the sequence. This is gonna go there, and this will extend this cylinder. So that's the sequence, right? So that is the sequence. And then as soon as this cylinder is activated, then I don't know, we can have a second sensor or something. We don't need to, but let's add the second sensor. It doesn't matter. It really does not matter. It's just for show. It's the right place here. Okay. So, and of course, this one here activates all of the above. Which way does it rotate? Which way do you rotate? Which way do you rotate? all that's left to do is to link all of them the other way. Of course you do. Rotate the other way. Of course you do. I hate you, component. This one goes somewhere down here. There. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so look at this. I could make like a whole, not a semester, but 1 week training only on this stuff here. So that doesn't lag. Hi Kurogane. I don't know what you mean with so that it doesn't lag. It doesn't lag for me. You need a strong PC then. Okay, maybe I lift it all up a little bit because now I need to look down. It doesn't matter if I need to look down, but I don't want to. All of these will now go into a folder that I'm going to call training 01 or scenario. It doesn't matter. Training 01. We'll definitely go to the wall here. There we go. That fits perfect. There it is. Yeah, Akash, no spoilers. I've started today. I don't know where I am right now in Squid Game, but I have, yeah, yes. I am 100% with you. I love it. I have, where am I right now? I watched it right before the stream, actually. Right before the stream, I've watched it. I'm in episode 4 right now. Episode 4, I love it. Squid Game is amazing. I can recommend it. You have a strong PC, no doubt. Lower end PC does lag though. It lags terrible. I mean, there's not much you can do. You could. One thing that I usually do is if something lags in your task manager, like Control Alt Delete, what you can do is right click on something and then wait, no, where is it? Here? I haven't done that in so long. No processes. What? Isn't that available anymore? I'm an old man. Can't you set the process priority anymore? Oh, you can't. Okay, no, no. I take back whatever. hey, shut up. No spoilers. It's episode 4. I started yesterday. Yeah, maybe Joss can be. That would be nice. Hey, Robin. Hi. This guy. Thank you. Thanks for calling me this guy. Hi. Got help from your firmware video. Oh, really? Nice. Glad I helped. Glad I could help. This guy. Okay. I guess I'm this guy then. So I don't know. All of these components should go into the group there. So I'll select all of them. Doink, 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 doink. Some boring white guy. Yeah, that's me. That would be me. All of these go into the training 01. There we go. And let's lift that up a little bit. So we don't have to stare down all the time. That's so annoying. This guy, aka the tier guru. Nah, I know guys that are much better in tier than me. Okay, so I've got all the components. All that's left to do is two things. Link all of them together. So wiring them, like wires, signals, connecting signals in between. And hey, Troll Quantum, hi. What do you mean? What the hell is going on? That's a technical stream. For technical streams, usually there's people here. For gaming, not so much. For technical, yeah. Two things. I need to name all those components. Like I want to give them correct names now, just for the exercise. And second is I want to interconnect them. Okay. Main switch should not be broken though. Revert, blink. Hey Paul, you're back. Loving PLCs. Hey. Oh, might be that there's better guys than me, but not. Yeah, they don't explain. That's right. I get that. Not Schalter, Philip. Notschalter, Nutschalter. I do have an emergency stop. Do I not? Stop. I have an e-stop. I call it e-stop, not emergency stop. There I go. I could like add an e-stop here if you want, but it doesn't do anything. I don't have an e-stop circuit for it. So I will leave it out for now. But I added it already. Okay, let's give those guys names. Okay. So, because this would be a wiring... Whoops. I don't need coding anymore. Coding is done for today. So they would need names, like official names. Let's give those names. What is a power plug? The power plug here I will call... I'll just call this power plug, because those usually... No, they have a description. I'll call it power plug. I don't care. The main switch is going to be S1. The first breaker is going to be F1. The second breaker is going to be F2. The power supply is going to be T1 for transforming power. That's the German standard behind the naming convention here. You're new to coding? Noob. It highly depends. My fiance is working with Mac. I am using Windows. There's definitely also a lot of Linux programming going on. You will have to find out for your own software. If it's TIA Portal you want to program, definitely Windows. How amazing is... All of this is better than PLCism. Power plug 4 or 5 pin? 5. There we go. L1, L2, L3. Wait, look at this. Look at the power plug. Just there we go. If I click on it, there you go. It's 5 pin. I mean, that shouldn't be too bad. An i5, 7th gen? Aren't we at like 9th or 10th gen? Pentium. Is it Intel? Intel processors, i9. What's the current gen? 11. Yeah, okay, 11th gen. Yeah. Makes sense. Mine is also still pretty old, actually. My CPU. Looks more like a socket. I'm sorry, Maverick. I don't have the 3D models of it. I've got an 8.7, which is quite strong, actually, but it's... Where does it say the gen? I don't know. It's old. It's quite old. That's the next thing I would like to upgrade. How much ROM does CE-Stecker braucht auch LS? Shut up. We don't care about correct right now. This is the first stupid version. This one is push button is gonna be S2. This one down here is gonna be B0. V0? I think so. This one is V1. This one is 1A1, that is correct. This one is V2. No, V1, V2, no, V0? Oh, yeah, makes sense. 2A1, that makes sense. This is one, what was it, P? I think P. It doesn't matter. One P1 and this is one P2. Is it P? I think P. Ah, it doesn't matter. I haven't done that in a long time. You have field PG? Yeah, the field PGs. Of course, field PGs, they are suited for it. They are built for TIA Portal pretty much, or Siemens software. Normal laptops are not. They're not optimized for it. Which makes sense, but it's annoying. Okay. It's not too bad memory, 16 GB. Yeah, no, it should be fine. 16 GB memory should be fine. Okay, let's connect everything. So, okay, that's where that's where it's gonna be annoying. Okay, I hope I don't mess up anything. I will probably, but I hope I won't. So let's start in the end, actually. No, let's not start here. Yeah, shut up. I know. So this one here is gonna be connected to there. So I will connect all 3 phases to it. So L1 is going to be connected to L1 of this. L2 is going to be connected to L2 of this. L3 is going to be connected to L3 of this. neutral in is going to be connected to neutral of this. PE in is going to be connected to PE of this. There we go. Got it. Then I've got my first breaker. This is a 230 volt breaker. So this 230 volt breaker should be connected to the main switch. So terminal 1, for whatever reason I call it terminal 1. I should have called it in or something. I will rename it and say in. And then I'll say out. So in is connected to T1 of this. T1 of this. And out is going to be connected to nothing, because this is going to be connected from here. I always connect next to previous component, which shouldn't make a difference, but for programming right now, for me it does. The price is optimized, so yeah, of course it is. As you Game of Thrones spin-off titled House of Dragons, is there? So the main switch I still need because I want to connect the neutral. So I've got the next is the power supply here. The power supply, I want L1 in, should be connected to the circuit breaker, to the out of the circuit breaker. There we go. Neutral in should be connected to the main switch, which is neutral out of the main switch, which doesn't make a difference, but I want to connect it. PE should be connected to PE out of the switch, which is basically the same PE as there. Okay, that is connected. Then I've got this circuit breaker here. This circuit breaker should be connected to the power supply. This circuit breaker, the in, should be connected to the L out of the power supply. Okay, great so far. If you can follow, great job. Let's see if that works. So this should have 0, 0, 0 right now. It's good. This has 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This has 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, perfectly fine. 0, 0. No, it's got 230 on the inside. So if I turn this on, doink, 230 on this side. This one should have on the input 230. Turn it off. Okay, perfect. Now this power supply here should have 230 on the in, on L1, and should have 24 volts on the output side, which it has. So it's called House of the Dragon? I don't know. I'm gonna watch it. I like Game of Thrones except the last season because that was shit, but I liked most of it. So that F2 should be connected to the output here. That works. So if I turn off this breaker here, you can barely see it, but there's an LED on the power supply. If I turn it off, the power supply is off, and this one here should also not have any voltage anymore, which is correct. So far, it works 100%. Nice. You love the simulation. Imagine if you POV on a box of dropping. I'll do that. Kurogane, it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple, the PLC connection. I can do it using PLC Sim. I can connect it to PLC Sim or to a physical PLC. I know how to do it. It's on my list. I know how to do it, though. It's easy. Gogo Gadgetto Cylinder. This should not be Gogo Gadgetto Cylinder. Why did I give you a name? Component name. No, component name? Whoops. Stop it. Stop loading. I didn't want to open a script. What? Revert. Component name should actually be push button. And then the push button should be extend cylinder 1 button. There we go. Okay. So if as this is connected, the push button should be connected to the output of this one. Got it. Okay, easy. Is it this one here? Yeah. Where's my push button? My push button should be connected to the output and the normally open contact. The normally open contact of my push button should be connected to the output. There we go. I hope nothing else is still connected. There's still a connection here, which I don't want. Might be that there's still cross connections somewhere. Okay, the push button is connected. So, hi Hartox, hi. I was already wondering where you are. You're late. You're late for the session. No, hi. I hope you had a great day. I'm almost wrapping up. Version 2 needs Pilz und Notschalter. I have a Pilz Schalter. Didn't you see that? No, somewhere. I will implement more and more components as I go. But there's this. Look at this. Brrr. Pilzkopfdrucktaster. So the push button works. The push button then in turn is the output. So terminal 14 of this is connected there, right? To the solenoid, to the signal of the solenoid. This is where the push button terminal 14 is connected to. It was already. Okay, great. It's not your week so far. It's only Tuesday. It can only go up from here, Hartux. It can only go up. But yeah. It's a mediocre week for me, but yeah. I wish you all the best. This is... Wait. This is for you? Wait. Do I have my tone? I do not have music on. Why do I have my sound off? This is for you. Oh, this is for your week. It might be too quiet, but that's okay. You know what I mean. Wait, wrong button. There we go. It will get better. No, it will. Okay. The second one on this DCV, the second input is not connected to the push button. Of course, the other input is the pressure that is driven by this thing here. So I need to connect that. Tough audience. Ooh. So on this shut-off valve, so here the P, the pressure input, which is the left input, I assume. I don't know. Why did I call it left input? That doesn't make any sense. The P input is connected to the output of the shut-off valve, which was already connected. Nice. While I'm at it, I can also add it here directly, so I don't forget it later on. The left input is connected to the con output. Good. Okay, that works. In turn then, the cylinder, of course, needs to be driven by the solenoid. So the solenoid, the extent port of this is connected to the solenoid of this, which is the output. There we go. Boink. Got it. That was already connected. Easy. Oh God, this is so much already. It's gonna be better. Later on in the software, you have like a connect button that will make this way easier. This right now is... I'm the only person in the world that will ever do this. So then I have this sensor, right? This sensor here is connected to power. It needs positive, it needs power. So it's connected to the L plus output on this. Not on this, actually on this should be. So not on the power supply, but on the circuit breaker, on the output of the circuit breaker. Doink, got it. It's the same with this sensor here. Output of... No, the positive. Did I connect the output or the positive? Positive, yeah. The positive is connected to the output of the circuit breaker so that it has power. The signal of this, right? The signal output of this will go to the DCV. So the DCV has the input, I already checked, the left input is this, but the solenoid is driven by this sensor here, by the output of the sensor. So the signal of this is the output of the forked light barrier. There we go, got it. Easy so far. I definitely know what I'm doing. Shit, I have no idea. Got no idea. So this cylinder here is driven by this solenoid valve. The output of it. So this one here has an extend port and it's driven by the output of this thing here. Good, great. Okay, and then I have this one here which doesn't do anything. It's gonna have a small LED on top. Okay. Shall we do it? Okay, if I turn this on, and also if I turn this on, of course. Let's turn this off for now to see if it works. If I latch the button on, nothing will happen because those are connected through air, of course. Bloink, let's latch it off. Latch on? Latch off, yeah, that works. Okay, what have I accomplished so far? Nothing, Hartux, nothing. A lot, actually, a lot. Interfacing, a lot of components are done now. The last thing that I'm trying to do is set up this little small exercise here, this little system. And if I press the button now, this cylinder should extend as soon as this is active. this cylinder should extend. Let's see. I can press it very short, but that doesn't work. Let's this on. Doink, doink. That works. And the second cylinder only extends after we actually hit the sensor, right? To test this. And here comes another thing that we have implemented, Hartux, while you're at it asking. So the forked light barrier here. This forked light barrier has a parameter, and that is exactly what I want to do, has a parameter called broken. So this forked light barrier right now is broken. It doesn't work. It doesn't do the thing anymore. So if I press the push button, the first cylinder should extend. Does not, it still triggers the light barrier, but as it is broken, the second one will not extend because this thing is broken. So let's see. God, this is amazing. It's broken. And in the software, now comes the software part. The forked light barrier right now is broken. I can repair. I've got a repair button. So if I repair it, the second cylinder should extend because the sensor is okay again. First try. First try. Yeah. First try. If no one understands what's going on, it's fine. Just let me assure you, I am amazing. Thanks, Throw Quantum. Yeah, acknowledge me. Just acknowledge me. That works. Amazing. I made troubleshooting easy. That is exactly one big part of this software that should do like the troubleshooting session in class, right? That should exactly be it. So I could now already teach troubleshooting using this software. Amazing. Let's actually put this up there. I think this would be just for showing. This would be nicer up here. Just for show, right? Just for this exercise, I want to rotate those. You're amazing. You're the maintenance worker here. Yes, Hatux, that's how true. You're amazing. Go, go. Good job, Hatux. Good job. Whatever you've been doing, whatever you've been struggling with, good job. Okay, there we go. This goes here. This goes there. I could maybe rotate those as well, but nah, I don't feel like. He's okay. What I can see is now that those are not aligned well. This has to be a little bit higher. There we go. I just want it to look nice. There we go. This goes there. Okay. So that's the whole sequence. It works. I am so amazed that it works. I don't know. I'm confused. Why does it work? Okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing. I will now test it again. I will implement an error and I'll test it. So let's see. I want, I don't know what. I want this. This thing here is broken now. Yeah, this thing is broken. Let's see. Let's do a second attempt. Let's turn this on. Everything else is still fine. Let's turn this on. Oh yeah, it stays at 0 bar because it's broken. Of course. This won't work anymore. Yeah. Of course, this won't work anymore. I first have to repair this. And then it works. Look at this. This is amazing. Is it freeware? I think I'm gonna sell it, but for a pretty cheap price. Doink. 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 Love this. I hate that it's not like I cannot keep it pressed. It's just a click thingy here, but that's okay. It's probably a switch for it or so. Okay, that worked. Okay, then here's the thing. Okay, here is the thing. I will now break one of those components. I will now break, and then I will, the first time ever, export this software. I will export it. I'll export it. Then I'll run it standalone without Unity. I will do it standalone without Unity. Then I'll check if I can repair it. If I can repair it, then I will upload the version that I have, and your task for home is, you can download it then, and your task will be to find the error. And the next stream, you have to explain to me what the error is. Fail open and fail close. No, Maverick, I have not yet. No, right now it's very, very basic, very simple. I haven't accounted for a lot of things yet. Early alpha. This is just the concept. Basically now the concept works. Okay, so I will now break one of those components. I will now break a component, so you are not supposed to see the screen. I'll now break something. Oh, what could I break? What am I gonna break? No, I don't know what I'm gonna break. You'll have to find it. I don't know if this is really gonna work. I'll test it in the software first. Maybe I should test it in the software first. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Turn this on. Do this. Yeah. Okay. Why did that not work? That's not the thing that shouldn't work. Wait, did I leave the thing unbroken? Oh, I left it unbroken. I am an idiot. I left this unbroken, which shouldn't be. And yeah, you just see me doing this, doing nothing. You don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Oh, it's crazy. Why did that not work? Why did that not work? Why did that not work? That should have worked. That should have worked. Why did that not work? What? Why did that not work? You don't see anything. I love it. I love it that you don't see anything. Why does it? Yeah, why does it work? It should be broken. Why does it work? Let's see. That should work. That should do the thing. That should do this. But why? Oh, I know why. I know why, and I'm not gonna change it now. I know why, and I got a clue. I know why. Yeah. No, wait, what? What did I break? Shit, I forgot what I broke. Oh no. Wait. Oh god, I forgot what I broke. Hey Rox, hi. Let's solve it together then. Why do I want to say goodbye? I'm not saying goodbye yet. I'm uploading something very soon. Let's see. Am I stupid? Okay. No, it works. What? Okay, let me... Whoa, what? What? Does it work or not? It works. It works. Everything works. My software doesn't work, but the thing works. That's not a problem. What I could do is the flag failed. Yeah. The fail failed. Can I do this? Can I just do this then instead? I'll just do this instead. Is that okay? You guys know what I'm talking about, right? You've been listening and you've been watching. Oh, wait, you can't see what I see. Okay, let's see. So this is okay. This is okay, this is okay, this is okay. This is okay. Okay, this is okay. Okay. I think I got something. I got something I won't show, I won't tell. I'll export it now. You'll never know what I did. You will never ever will you know. There we go. I can go back to the screen. You can see it again. You will never ever know. Right? You will never ever. You never will you ever, unless I'm exporting it now. And you will have to Download and test it. I'll make it available. PC, sure. It's probably freaking big. Desktop, yeah. Dkit, yeah. There's not a folder. Let's make a folder. Let's call that Dkit, because that's the software name currently, which is not a good name, but that's okay. Is there a list for ticked broken machine shut up. It works. It works. It does work. It doesn't work. That's why it works. I'm confused. I am so confused. Oh, God. Okay. Now I exported it. I can... So this is what I'm going to upload. I'm going to upload a zip file. First of all, I'm going to make it like an archive. Yeah, it's a RAR. It's a RAR. Can I make it a zip? I don't care. It's a RAR archive. If you don't know how to unzip something or unrar something, it's your own mistake. You can't play it right now. I won't make an installer. I could make an installer. I don't want to right now. Project on creating a UI panel to control a PLC using virtual reality. Any advice? Muigai, this... Google it. There's a lot of YouTube videos about it. There's not just... There's actually quite some YouTube videos about it. So I've got this. If you want, I will share this file here. I will already... It's 75 megabytes. 75 megabytes. That's nothing. That is nothing. Mines? No. Troubleshooting software, I'm gonna call it. And I'll upload it. I'll give you the link in a second. And then you can have it. Let me test first. Oh, right, I forgot. If I test it, if I click it and test it. I've written this program and it works. Whoa, the mouse sensitivity is so high. I didn't account for more FPS in the game. You cannot adjust the mouse sensitivity. Right mouse button, by the way, is view mode. Left mouse button is select things. Right mouse button is view mode if you hold it down. I should maybe put that on somewhere, but I don't care. It's okay. Wait, I should. It's okay. I don't care. Okay, WASD is walking. Okay, those also work. Walking is walking. Okay, so that works. But now, again, I want to see if I can fix the error in the software. So let's see there. You can't see it again. Look at you not being able to... Oh, God, what happened here? Oh, I'm running it in 4K. Oh, God. Look at the buttons. My screen resolution is right now 4K. That's why the buttons are just one quarter of what they are. Oh, pretty. It's okay. It's like, oh God, it's so ugly. It's okay. Okay, let's see. If I turn this on, this should work. This is fine. This is perfect. This is great. This is great. I love it. This is fine. This is doing fine. Okay, great. Okay. As you can see, it perfectly works, right? It perfectly works in the end. I had to repair something. I won't tell you what. I'll give you the link. Try to play around a little bit with it. Wait, I need to fix this first. There we go. There's a lot of things. Oh, you can't exit anymore. You have to Alt F4 out of the game. Okay, let me fix a couple of things. Before I... No. I want to do it right. If this is the first attempt, I'm gonna do it right. Let's delete it from the cloud. I didn't put it in the cloud. No, let's delete it from the cloud. Where is it? I put it in the cloud. Okay, a couple of things. I just want to show the controls. So I'll have a UI. Why did they not scale? It doesn't matter. I don't care. Most people are running a 1080p monitor anyway. No, not a canvas. I just want the controls shown on the screen. Very quick, very quick, very quick. What? No. No. Shut up. This goes here. Canvas. This is by screen size. 1080. No. My pistons are putting out because they do. Don't ask questions. Controls. It's okay. It's misspelled. I know. I don't care. Text. So the controls. There's gonna be this text shown all the time, which is now on the bottom left of the screen. It's gonna be just the controls. I'll have it as a text. It is like this. And let's put the controls. WASD is walk around. Left mouse button is interact. Right mouse button keep pressed is view around. That's it. There's not more. And escape. Escape is quit or exit. Exit, quit. Quit the application. Quit the application. So there we go. We've got controls listed down in the corner. That's fine. Let's give this a nice background here. I want the background. Can I have like a background color? No, of course not. This will have another UI, another panel. There we go. This panel should, of course, it should be the other way around. There we go. Text will be like this and that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There we go. Got it. Okay. Imagine this program if it is better. This will definitely be better than NX. No, it won't be. Okay, that's good. I've got this. What was the second thing? Oh, I need to escape. If I click escape, we're gonna quit the thing. Cursor raycast? No. Where's my... is it gonna be on the character? Let's make another script, global controls. Where is it? Where is it? So global controls, it's there. Open it up, please. Where is it? There it is. On update, if input dot get key, and then key code is, of course, we all know it, ESC, I guess, escape. Then application dot quit, I guess, quit. There we go. Got it. That should work. Does that work? Quits the player application. Access the... I don't know. It should work. I have never done that. Strangely enough. Let's export again. And then let's test it in the export. Dkit. There we go. Got this. Got that folder. There we go. What did I say an hour ago or so? Hey, I've got a headache. Let's actually finish. Let's wrap this up. But now I have a version that you can play around with, which was very important for me. So let's see if this is going to work. It's just about the controls now. It's not about anything else. So I see WASD, I see the controls on the bottom left there. I can select things. I can repair things. I can theoretically repair those as well, but I won't. I hate that it's the 4K thingy. So I can do this. Escape should... There we go. Got it. That's a Unity error, by the way, I would say, where that it doesn't scale with the screen size, but that's okay. Let me fix this. Last thing, I want to fix, because I don't know how it works. I don't know how I can fix it. Is it this? Is it the connector panel? Oh yeah, it is. Why is it? Is that gonna fix it? That should fix it, I guess. Connector panel electrical. Let's see if I click on an electrical. That is fine now. Rect transform. Is the rect transform this? What is the rect transform? What's the rect transform on this? Should it be here? Should be here. Oh, there. It's there. What? Okay. definitely know what I'm doing. And I'm not just freaking out right now because I might have broken something. I definitely 100% know what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh, those should all be according to this. They should not scale with it. It doesn't matter. It's fine. I'll export it again. I could have... It could look funny now. Yeah, it will look funny now. Shit. Doesn't matter. I'll export this. If you run this in any other resolution than 1080p, it's not going to work. It will work, but it will look stupid. God damn it. Whoa, the sensitivity. Yeah. Oh, it should have still done that, but it's okay. Okay. There we go. So I will now pack this as a zip file. You can down... It's a RAR file. It's not a zip, but RAR is better anyway. I will give you the link in a second, and then I'll say my goodbyes. And if it works, let me know. Let me know in... I will make a post. I'll probably make a post on the YouTube. I will... There we go. Factory sim. No. Frequency. No. What do I call it? Troubleshooting software. Copy here. I know mouse sensitivity is too high and stuff, depending on your PC. Right now, the mouse sensitivity actually depends on your PC. As soon as it's uploaded, I'll give you a link. I'll already close the software here because, hey, that is great. It is uploaded now. It is uploaded. I will give you the link. Share. You cannot. No. Bearbeitung zulassen. No. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Link. Copy link. Copy the link. Let's see. In my browser. Crowbar is still open. I love it. OneDrive. OneDrive cannot... What? 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 Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, it directly downloads. It's 70 megabytes. It should work. I broke the software. I broke Microsoft. No, the problem was that I was still logged in and it tried to work with my account. There we go. I give you the link now. Don't you break it. You can download. Try to play around with it. If it doesn't work, it's fine. I will save the link here. Actually, link. I'll save the link. I'll make a post later on. Let me know. Let me know if it works or not. I don't care right now. You can have fun with it. Try to play around. I'm having fun. I had fun with this, but now I will really take a rest. If you can download it and use it, try to find the error, right? Something is broken. Something doesn't work according to what we just discussed. I'll take a rest. You guys take care. You guys take care. Enjoy the tool. Enjoy your evening. I'll see you soon. When do I stream? Fridays? Maybe early. I don't know. Depending on my headache. Stay safe out there. Stay healthy. Thank you so much for joining. I had a lot of fun today, and I'll see you next time around. Bye-bye. Bye. And let me know if you find bugs. There's a lot of it. Don't let me know. Let me know if